Top affiliate marketing strategies to build a profitable business. If you want to start an online business, then affiliate marketing is a great way to monetize your interests and abilities. It's also relatively easy to start compared to other online business models because it doesn't require as much upfront investment as selling products or services on your own site. With nothing more than a website and the ability to think outside the box, you can quickly learn to promote other people's products for your financial gain. Let's review the different strategies that should help you succeed in 2023 and beyond. Let's get to know how affiliate marketing works. Affiliate marketing is performance-based advertising in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's marketing efforts. When you click on an affiliate link to make a purchase from an online store like Amazon, you're making money for your favorite blogger. That means if you want to earn extra income from home, this strategy is worth considering. There are a few strategies that may work for you. Number 1 is to select high commission, high reliability programs. The next step is to pick the right affiliates. You want to be sure that you're working with a company that provides excellent support, has great products, and offers a competitive affiliate program. There are some things to consider when choosing an affiliate partner. Research the affiliate program, make sure you research the products they offer and their overall reputation as an affiliate company. Choose a product you know something about. This will help ensure that you can answer any questions your audience has about it if they have any concerns or complaints about it. Choose a niche product. This will help ensure interest in what you're promoting because people within that niche would be more likely to purchase it since there may not be many other options available. Choose something in demand. If too many affiliates promote this same type of product, fewer people will likely buy from anyone. Number 2 is to optimize your presence. As an affiliate marketer, you should be optimizing your platforms to help increase your traffic and sales. This means ensuring your website is optimized for mobile users, search engines, social media, and email marketing. Next, make sure that you are optimizing the user experience of your site so that it's easy for them to find what they want and convert into a sale or lead. You want clean UI, UX so they can easily navigate your presence and flow through your sales funnel efficiently. Number 3 is diversify always. Diversifying your affiliate program is a great way to attract new revenue and reach a wider audience. You can diversify your affiliate program by adding new products and services, new programs, new networks, or even more publishers. The point is to not keep all your eggs in one affiliate basket. You never know when the market flips its trend, forcing you to have a bad month. Number 4 is to leverage influencer marketing. Partnering with an influencer is a great way to attract new customers and increase sales. The most important thing you need to do when working with an influencer is to find one that has the right audience for your business. For example, if you sell a book on cooking, you might want to find an influencer with a large following of people who like to cook. When you are just getting started, you may want to follow that influencer for a while and interact with the community they have built. You'll learn a ton about what these target consumers think and want out of their products. Number 5 is to personalize your strategies. The goal is to create a unique experience based on the cookies and demographics of your leads. You wouldn't want to market a product to someone in France if all the content is written in English. The same is true for marketing a hair product specific to people with thicker hair when your ads are mistakenly targeting bald individuals. It's all about providing a quality solution to a need your target audience is experiencing. Number 6 is never underestimate email lists. Email is a powerful tool for your affiliate marketing strategy, and it's essential to have a strong list of customers that you can rely on when you need to launch new campaigns or products with little notice. The best way to build an email list is by offering quality content in exchange for the reader's contact information. You can do this in many ways, by writing articles, creating videos, posting images or videos on social media sites like Facebook or Instagram, etc. Once you have collected their information, you must keep them engaged, so they don't forget about you when they receive an email from another brand down the line. Send out periodic updates and fun info to keep leads happy. Number 7 is lean into user-generated content. User-generated content is a great way to build trust and loyalty with your audience. If you allow them to share their experiences with you, they will take it. This can be done through social media posts, blog comments, or even user reviews. By encouraging this type of interaction between users and your brand, you create an even more intimate relationship with those who are already loyal fans of yours. Number 8 is to get on social media. If you have a social media account, then you are already on the right track. Social media is one of the best ways to connect with your audience, so make sure that your social media accounts are always up to date. TikTok is turning out to be one of the best ways to market affiliate products right now. Instagram is better for photos and high-quality videos. Pinterest is always a favorite for people that appreciate cultivating their lifestyles with premium products and services. Facebook and LinkedIn are better for B2B services. Number 9 is to make sure you always have a clear CTA. If you want to increase your conversion rate, make sure that you always have a clear CTA. Your call to action should be relevant and easy for your visitors to find. Make sure it's on the top of the page and stands out. Try using an image button instead of text, so they stand out even more. Also, ensure you include it in every article with a relevant message that entices people into buying your product or service. Number 10 is to automate everything. With automation, you can free up your time to focus on what's important, growing your business. That's why it's one of the most effective affiliate marketing strategies out there. Automate everything. Automate your email marketing, your social media, and even the process of getting new leads and converting them into customers. You don't have to do it all yourself, a team of people can help you with this process, but make sure they know what they're doing. Number 11 is to use A/B testing on your ads or promotions. A/B testing is a method for testing 2 or more variations of something to see which one performs better. This is used in marketing to compare 2 versions of a website, an email, or a landing page. You can use it to test headlines, calls to action, images, and other elements on your website that you want to optimize. This is a critical affiliate marketing strategy for ensuring your ads are always optimized no matter what platform you are using to push them out. So, affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online. By implementing some basic affiliate marketing tactics, you can make money by finding the right products that appeal to your audience. Remember, this online business is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It does require work and patience. But with the right strategies, you can turn it into your full-time job. We hope these affiliate marketing strategies will help you realize your entrepreneurial dreams. By implementing some basic affiliate marketing tactics, you can make money online by finding the right products that appeal to your audience. Until next time, stay secure and keep growing your e-commerce business. And make sure you never miss a video by subscribing and hitting the bell icon.